Gurubhyo Namaha. Sarvashruti Shiroratna Virajita Padambuja Vedantambuja Suryoya Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. This shloka from the Guru Stotram, which points out how a Guru is synonymous with the sun which makes the lotus blossom, reminds us of how Dr. Mrs. Y.G. Parthasarathy, our Vidya Mata, stands tall, iconic of the institution. She lives on as the axle to the chakra, moving towards greater knowledge, teaching her students the power of not just answering questions but also questioning answers. Thus, she stands testimony to the words, "We learn more by looking for the answer to a question than we do from learning the answer itself." On that note, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to Day 18 of PSBB Vidya Shakti, an alumni special.
Vidya Shakti, Medha Shakti, Kalashraya Shakti,
Vidya Shakti,
Men may come and men may go, but PSBB will go on forever.
Prosperity and wisdom are gifts bestowed upon us by the elephant-headed Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. By the decree of Lord Shiva, all pujas begin with an invocation to Lord Ganesha, the Lord of the Mooladhara Chakra. This is the reason behind PSBB's morning prayer, starting with Lord Ganesha's slokam. Let us now listen to one of the most renowned slokas praising the Lord, Vakratunda Mahakaya in Ragam Nate, rendered by Bhargav, batch of 2020.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru me deva Sarvakaryeshu sarvada Sarvakaryeshu sarvada
Lord Surya, the one who illuminates the world, is quintessential for the well-being of humanity. On this Ravivar, it is only befitting that we offer our salutations to this majestic deity who sits on a chariot of 7 horses in the form of a dance, Surya Pushpanjali.
Surya connotes the solar deity in Hinduism. The sun is the symbol of immense light and wisdom. He is the source and sustainer of all life forms on earth. Nana Sugandhi Pushpani Yatha Kalod Bhavani Cha Pushpanjalir Maya Datto Grihana Parameshwara. Surya Pushpanjali, a blend of Odissi and Bharatanatyam, is a prayer with an offering of flowers to Lord Surya. He is worshipped with Arka or Irkampu and lotus flowers.
Jin tarit jin jin kedata jin dim tagadinata jim taditta jim jim kidataga dim tagadinata jim taditta jim jim kidataga dim tagadinata dit dit tagadaga dit dit tagadaga dit tagadaga dit tagadaga dit dit tam tajamta takita taragada takadimi takadunno takadimi takadunno taragada takita takadimi takadunno takadimi takadunno takataki 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 dit dit tagadaga dit dit tagadaga dit tagadaga dit tagadaga dit dit tam tajamta taragada takadimi takadunno takadimi takadunno taragada takadimi takadunno takadimi takadunno taragada taragada kidadaga diddik kidadaga tum tum kidadaga nam nam kidadaga tak kidadaga dik kidadaga tum kidadaga nam kidadaga tadiginatum 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 dik kidadaga tum kidadaga nam kidadaga taga tadiginatum taga tadiginatum taga tadiginatum tum kidadaga nam kidadaga taga diku tadiginatum taga diku tadiginatum taga diku tadiginatum jim taritta jim jim kidadaga dim tadim tadim taga dinatam dim tadim tadim taga dinatam dim tadim tadim taga dinatam
Music produces a kind of pleasure which human nature cannot do without, to quote Confucius. Who else to perfectly encapsulate this than Carnatic violinist, vocalist and composer Sri Lalgudi G.J.R. Krishnan. Alumnus PSBB Nungumbakam, he has dedicated his life to a career in the fine arts. Sri Lalgudi G.J.R. Krishnan and his sister Srimati Lalgudi Vijayalakshmi are torchbearers of their father Sri Lalgudi G. Jayaraman's legacy. For them, playing the violin has been a way of life. A Yuvakala Bharati awardee bestowed by our very own Bharat Kalachar, he is a recipient of many prestigious awards and titles, including Kalai Mamani by the Tamil Nadu ELSI Nadaga Mandram, Chennai, and Sangeet Natak Academy Award from the President of India in 2016. A scholar with deep insight into music and musicality of the Lalgudi Bani, Sri Krishnan has established a special place for himself and a unique bond with Mrs. YGP. When you play the violin piece, you're a storyteller and you are telling a story. So let us immerse ourselves in one such story by Sri G.J.R. Krishnan.
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Ever since Bharat Kalachar, the cultural wing of PSBB was started, I have been performing either with my guru or with my sister on Christmas Day without a break, with the exception of just 1 year. And invariably, Mrs. YGP, the big miss, would be there in the audience, sitting in the front row, enjoying the music. And everybody used to wait for the speech, her special speech, soon after the Tanyavartanam. And this Tillana in Raga Mishramand, a composition of my guru, was composed at the request of Dr. Padma Subramaniam. This happened to be a favorite of Mrs. YGP, and several times she has asked us to play this Tillana. So I am very happy to be playing this Mishraman Tillana as a tribute to my guru, both the gurus. Thank you.
Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is a philosophy that underscores the whole world is one family. PSBBians across the 7 seas are eternally grateful to their alma mater for guiding them on this value-laden path. The alumni on alien shores have the spirit of Bharatiyam deeply ingrained in them that they take the initiative to organize cultural programs popularizing our rich heritage. PSBB NRI alumni always acknowledge the exposure they had in school to Indian music, dance, shloka and Vedic heritage, which gives them the spiritual stamina to say, I am a proud PSBBian.
My name is Bharat, I live in Bharat, I'm a PSBBian. My name is Shrishti, I live in London City, I'm a PSBBian. My name is Mani, I live in Germany, I'm a PSBBian. My name is Alia, I live in Australia, I'm a PSBBian. My name is Adam Chris, I live in Swiss, I'm a PSBBian. My name is Monica, I live in America, I'm a PSBBian. My name is Anki Jain, I live in Spain, I'm a PSBBian. My name is Nadia, I live in India, I'm a PSBBian. We are PSBBian. We are PSBBian.
The next song by Arjun Sundaram, batch of 1994 PSBB KK Nagar, depicts Dr. Mrs. YGP as an incarnation of Goddess Saraswati, capturing her vigor and liveliness, how she touched and nurtured many lives with her distinctness and charm. Words are but ineffectual while extolling the virtues and contributions of the Kalashriya Shakti. Pranamamaha, a musical tribute to Dr. Mrs. YGP.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good evening. I am Arjun Sundaram, batch of 1994, PSBB KK Nagar. I offer my humble respects to the Kalashriya Shakti, Dr. Mrs. YGP. We are actually blessed as 3 generations of our family, my mother, myself and my children have all been associated with Dr. Mrs. YGP. The way Dr. Mrs. YGP nurtured my talent was a little different. She had been a huge pillar of support towards balancing my academics with my music performances and movie shoots. When academics ruled merit scholarships, the visionary Dr. Mrs. YGP instituted the first ever scholarship for performing arts through Bharat Kalachar. I was one of the first set of students to be awarded the scholarship in 1988 and continued to be a recipient till I completed my schooling in 94. Dear Mrs. YGP, words are not enough to express my gratitude. So, Nandri Navilven Isayal, Nin Padam Panindem Manadal. Pranamamaha, a musical tribute to Dr. Mrs. YGP. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
कलैवाणी जय नारायणी पालिनी वाणी कलैवाणी जय नारायणी पालिनी ஆகரம் அகாரம் உன்வசம் ஆசியம் தந்த அதிசயம் தர்ஷினி தீர்க்கதர்ஷினி போற்றுவோம் நின்னை போற்றுவோம் குருவின் குருவாய் திகழ்ந்தார் ஞானம் பலவாறு பகிர்ந்தார் நன்றி நவில் வேண்டிசையா நின் பாதம் பணிந்தேன் மனதா कलैवाणी जय नारायणी पालिनी वाणी कलैवाणी जय नारायणी पालिनी
Dream the impossible. Fight the unbeatable foe. Strive with your last ounce of courage to reach the stars is the essence of your catchline. Yes, we know we can look up to see you twinkle among the stars, far away yet so near. This eulogy was written by Mridula a week after the passing away of our most revered and loved YGP ma'am. The hallowed halls of PSBB will forever echo with the doyen's thoughts and ideals.
Among the stars, far away yet so near. This is a feeling I've never felt before. An aching heart and broken thoughts. A pioneer we have lost today. The end of an era. A doyen of education has passed away. A remarkable woman, our very own Iron Lady. She will always be the heart and soul of PSBB. Beauty and grace untold, yet fierce and bold. She taught us to fight for what is right. Our Indian roots are stronger because of her. We learn to balance academics and co-curricular, but we also learn prayers and morals that are now deeply ingrained in us. Discipline comes first, and that sets us a class apart. She inspired us to dream, to work, and to reach. Her mantra we will follow: accountability, integrity, and responsibility. She helped us to learn to make our world a better and wiser place. She helped us to foster our abilities to grow into the best version of ourselves. You may write her down in history: a connoisseur, a legend, a teacher, a writer, a woman who broke down so many barriers, an icon who I will remember for centuries. Ma'am, we will miss you. No one could take your place. But we will celebrate you, cherish every memory you have given. We will celebrate what you lived for, what you passed on to us. We will carry your legacy and pass on the values you stood for.
Vishamakara Kannan, composed by Sri Oothakadu Kavi, is a highly acclaimed kriti cherished by YGP ma'am. The kriti, with its inbuilt drama, narrates the mischievous acts of the dark-hued Lord Krishna, who constantly plays pranks in Vrindavan all day. He would call the girl next door and incite a quarrel by asking her to sing the doleful Mukhari Ragam. When she says she does not know, he pinches her really hard, and when she starts to cry with gasping breaths and whimpers, he tells her this is indeed Mukhari. who would dare question the pranks of the god himself? Shreya Suresh, alumna batch 2018, will now present Vishamakara Kannan as a humble tribute to Mrs. YGP. She is currently pursuing her bachelor's in economics at Ashoka University.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. At this occasion, I would like to fondly remember our dear Mrs. YGP ma'am for her constant encouragement to us students to pursue art forms. Not only has it shaped me to become the artist that I am today, her sheer enthusiasm will always remain with me to make me a better artist and person tomorrow. Remembering her zealous and eager nature, I dedicate this song, Vishamakara Kannan, composed by one of her favorites, Oothakadu Venkatakavi, in Ragam Centurity.
Vishamakara Kannan, Vishamakara Kannan, Pollada Vishamakara Kannan, Pollada Vishamakara Kannan. வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாய் ஆட்டம் ஆடி ஆடிக்கோருள் இல்லை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாய் ஆட்டம் ஆடி ஆடிக்கோருள் இல்லை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். நீலமேகம் போல இருப்பான், நீலமேகம் போல இருப்பான், பாடினாலோ நெஞ்சில் வந்து கூட இருப்பான். நீலமேகம் போல இருப்பான், பாடினாலோ நெஞ்சில் வந்து கூட இருப்பான். கோலப்புல்லாங்குழலூதி களை களை கள்ளமாடி, கோலப்புல்லாங்குழலூதி கோபிகளை கள்ளமாடி, கொஞ்சம் போற பெண்ணை தாடி என்று கேட்டு ஆட்டமாடும் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான், பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான், முக்காரி ராகம் பாடச் சொல்லி வம்பு கிழுப்பான். பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான், முக்காரி ராகம் பாடச் சொல்லி வம்பு கிழுப்பான். எனக்கு அது தெரியாதென்றால் நெக்குருக கிள்ளி விட்டு, எனக்கு அது தெரியாதென்றால் நெக்குருக கிள்ளி விட்டு, அவளை நெக்குருக கிள்ளி விட்டு, அவள் வெக்கு வெக்கே அழும்போது இதாடே பூக்காரி என்பான் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். எனக்கு அது தெரியாதென்றால் நெக்குருக கிள்ளி விட்டு, வெக்கு வெக்கே அழும்போது இதாடே பூக்காரி என்பான் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். வெண்ணெய் பானை மூடக்கூடாது, வெண்ணெய் பானை மூடக்கூடாது, இவன் வந்து விழுங்கினாலும் கேட்கக்கூடாது, இவன் அம்மா கிட்ட சொல்லக்கூடாது, சொல்லிவிட்டால் அட்டகாசம் தங்க உண்ணாது. சும்மா ஒரு பேச்சுக்கானும் திருடன் என்று சொல்லிவிட்டால், இவனை திருடன் என்று சொல்லிவிட்டால், உன் அம்மா பாட்டி அத்தை தாத்தா அத்தனையும் திருடன் என்பான் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். சும்மா ஒரு பேச்சுக்கானும் திருடன் என்று சொல்லிவே, அம்மா பாட்டி அத்தை தாத்தா அத்தனையும் திருடன் என்பான் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாய் ஆட்டம் ஆடி நாடிக்கோருள் இல்லை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். விஷமக்கார கண்ணன்.
Carve your name on hearts, not stones. A legacy is etched in the minds of others and the stories they share about you. Dr. Mrs. Y.G. Parthasarathy always gifted her students with unique experiences which are now priceless memories. She is known to have treated her audience as equals, be they 5, 15 or 50-year-olds, thus leaving them spellbound with her aura. We have with us Mr. Vipin Agarwal, entrepreneur, class of 1977 of Nungambakkam, Mr. Amrita Ramanujam, CEO at Ramcons, class of 1999 of Nungambakkam, and Dr. Abhijit Srikumar, Wing Commander in Indian Air Force, class of 1995 from KK Nagar, who fondly recall their treasured moments with our Kulaguru.
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. I have some very fond memories of the school. Two incidents are etched in my mind. One was way back in 1972. I was barely 12 years old then. The Indo-Pakistan war was just over, and Mrs. YGP came up with this novel idea that the middle school and high school students should set up canteen by bringing homemade snacks, and the proceeds of the sale would go to the army, to the families of the martyred and the wounded. On a certain day, my classmates challenged me to go to Big Miss and sell the snacks. I took the challenge. I'll be lying if I say that I was not nervous. Nevertheless, I went to her room. I asked her if she would like to have some snacks. She said, sure. She took the plate from me and said, thank you. There was a momentary pause, and then I said, that will be 2 rupees, Big Miss. And she said, you're going to take money from me? I said, yes, this is going for a good cause. As she was saying this, she went for her handbag, pulled out 2 rupees note, and I saw a smile on her face and her eyes glowing with pride. Thinking back now, I realized that what was going through her mind was the thought that the pride was like the thought that her students were shaping up exactly the way she would have wanted them to be. Confident, standing up for a cause, speaking the truth to power, fearless. The second incident was in the year 1976, when Mrs. YGP had just returned from her first trip to the US, and she was excited to share her experience with us about the schools that she had visited there. One of the things that was very impressive for her was the way the students in the US addressed their teachers, Mr., Miss, Mrs., followed by their surname. And she felt that was the proper way to address teachers instead of the regular good morning sir, good morning miss, etc. And she expected the students to follow that. This was ridiculed by the students, and they went even to the extent of calling the teachers by their first name without the prefix. Now, when Mrs. YGP heard this a couple of days later, she held an assembly and she blasted the entire assembly, saying that this is very, very disappointing and she never expected this from the students, and immediately withdrew the directive. Years later, when I went back to school, I found that the children were addressing their teachers with a Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Instantly, I recalled the incident that happened in 11th standard, and I realized then that she never allowed that to affect her, and she found a way out of the problem, in fact, a better way of addressing the teachers. This underscored that Mrs. YGP was an eternal learner, never afraid to confess if she didn't succeed, and always ready to course correct right away. In our days, she was a very tough lady and a strict disciplinarian. We used to shudder at the thought of being taken to her room by our teachers. In later years, when my frequent interaction with her, I found her transform immensely to keep pace with the current times. In the introductory video, Mrs. YGP quotes from Alfred Lord Tennyson's The Brook. Men may come and men may go, but PSBB will go on forever. that's Mrs. YGP for you. She realized very early in her life that to not only remain relevant but to exude influence over the society, over generation, one needs to keep up, one needs to embrace the new without letting go of one's own roots. My profound gratitude to her. Thank you.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Amrit Ramanujam and I am an alumnus of PSBB Nungambakam. Firstly, I would like to thank PSBB for giving me this opportunity to pay tributes to the Iron Lady of Indian education. My experiences with Mrs. YGP is quite different from most other students of hers. I have had the unique opportunity to interact with Mrs. YGP not just as a student, but also as a professional who did work for the school, and of course as a close family friend of her family even before I joined PSBB. Considering I don't have the luxury of time with so many others standing in line to share their experiences and tributes too, I will restrict myself to the 3 things that immediately come to my mind when I think of Mrs. YGP. The first thought that always comes to my mind is her unbelievable levels of positivity and conviction. Her attitude and thinking on any challenging situation was always how to rather than why not to. This phenomenal characteristic of Mrs. YGP was something that generated comfort, confidence, constant innovation and progress with everyone who interacted with her. The second thing that comes to my mind is ma'am's skill to interact with any age group of people. The comfort and poise with which she used to fit into and interact with every age group was something that frankly made me jealous. I'm sure that skill didn't come easy, as meaningful interactions are usually a result of immense knowledge and being up to date with current affairs, which we all know Mrs. YGP was exemplary at. Last but not the least, the visionary in Mrs. YGP is something I will always look up to. Her vision and achievements in the field of holistic education is something I truly admire and am a personal beneficiary of. I am eternally grateful that I have had the pleasure and privilege of constant interactions with her before, during, and after my schooling, and that is something I will always cherish. Thank you.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed an honor and privilege to speak about the doyen of education, beloved Mrs. Y.G. Parthasarathy ma'am. I would like to share a couple of interactions which were worth recounting. I distinctly remember 2 interactions. First, I had scored 100% in science in the 10th public exam in 1993. During the prize giving function, I wished her. She asked me what I wanted to become. I said doctor. She felt happy and blessed me and said, may you become a doctor and serve humanity and the nation. It was a blessing I still remember, and it turned out to be prophetic. I joined one of the finest colleges, Armed Forces Medical College in Pune, and I'm currently working as a doctor in the Indian Air Force. So on both counts, serving the nation as well as doctor, her words proved to be prophetic. The next thing I want to recollect is ma'am's deep interest in the arts and Indian culture. She was back from a trip to Indonesia or Philippines and was talking about a Ramayana play she had seen. On stage in Silver Jubilee Hall, she suddenly broke into a dance as to how Lord Hanuman was depicted in the Ramayana play. I still remember her face, the expressions, and the deep involvement in arts and culture. This combination of sensitivity towards education, culture is a rare one. Thank you to all my teachers, Padma Seshadri Balbhavan and Mrs. YGP ma'am. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Annadanam param danam, vidyadanam atah param, annena shanika tripti, yavat jivancha vidyaya. Feeding a hungry person is indeed virtuous, but fulfilling a person's thirst for knowledge stands far above, as food satisfies only till the next meal, while education keeps them content for life. We are indeed grateful to our beloved YGP ma'am for establishing such a mammoth institution to impart values which we will uphold for life. Do tune in at 6 p.m. tomorrow at PSBB Vidya Shakti. This is Malavika Kannan, former school pupil leader, batch of 2020, signing off. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Vidya Shakti. मेधा शक्ति कलाशया शक्ति